Friends, today we bring to you an extraordinary journey, an expedition that will take us into space from 2024 to 2099. So, have you ever thought about what our new frontier in space will be like? Will we be walking on Mars by 2030? Or will we establish our homes on the moon? Today, in this video, let's explore how we have taken steps into space to reach our dreams. So, let's begin today's journey. Space travel from 2024 to 2099. By 2024, we have achieved some remarkable things. In 2020, we took some incredible steps, and it became a crucial part of this journey. Firstly, on Christmas Day in 2021, the James Webb Telescope was sent into space. It is a telescope that will help us reach the mysteries of the universe. And then there's the Artemis program, a special plan where we will return to the moon. The day is not far when we will step on the moon again. We will not only go there, but also stay there. A new chapter of lunar colonization is about to begin. Advancements in satellite technology, communication, and observation have taken us to a new level. Now, we can control our satellites from even greater distances and transmit information quickly. Then comes the aspect that always accelerates our intentions: collaboration. With the collaboration of our public and private sectors, we have given a new direction to space exploration. Collaboration has shown us new ideas and innovations, and we have reached 2030. From 2030 to 2040, a new chapter of our dreams is beginning: stepping on Mars. Yes, you heard it right. With manned missions, we will explore Mars, our red neighbor. One day, we will be there, touching the soil of Mars, an experience our ancestors could never have imagined. But have you ever thought that we might start constructing our homes on the moon as well? After 2030, we are moving towards lunar colonization. We will not only go there, but also stay there. We will build permanent bases, providing us with a new home. Along with this, we have taken steps towards sustainable habitats. These homes will be developed for long-duration space missions, with life support systems to help us stay in space. We will maintain our sky-like life in a new way on this journey. Another interesting thing we will explore is the use of 3D printing technology in space construction. We will use 3D printing to create anything we need there, including building our necessary homes. It's a new step that is making our space journey even more exciting. From 2040 to 2050, our colonies on Mars are expanding, and infrastructure is developing. Imagine, on a new planet, our colonies spreading like our towns and cities. It's a new world, a new home, and a new beginning for us. Along with this, we are advancing in propulsion technology. We are using advanced propulsion technology to make interplanetary travel easier and faster. Imagine the day when we will reach any planet in no time. It will be a new morning of space exploration. But have you ever thought that asteroids could be a new treasure for us? Yes, you heard it right. We are researching asteroid mining. These asteroids can provide us with valuable resources, specially suited for our space missions and colonies. So, imagine fulfilling our needs not from another planet, but from asteroids themselves. Another fascinating thing we are exploring now is the use of genetic engineering to adapt humans to space. Imagine we can survive in the space environment by genetically modifying ourselves. This is a new frontier of science, and we are stepping forward on this path. From 2050 to 2060, our journey of space exploration is becoming even more thrilling. We are creating interplanetary commerce and trade routes between Earth, Moon, and Mars. Our colonies are now engaging in business with each other, exchanging resources, and forming a new economic ecosystem. This marks a new chapter in our interstellar connections. Now comes a significant effort: terraforming Mars. Our scientists and researchers have initiated a process to make Mars habitable for us. One day, Mars will become a new home for us. This is a vision that strives to turn our dreams into reality. Space universities have also been established. This is a new concept where we are creating dedicated institutions for space exploration and research. Here, our scientists and students will discover new things together, enhancing our understanding in the fields of space and science. this is also a new source of renewable energy for us. We are generating energy in space and sending it to Earth. This is a new technological perspective that will help us address environmental issues. From 2060 to 2070, our journey of space exploration becomes even more exciting. Picture this. Our travelers are now enjoying space tourism, visiting the Moon and Mars. Even a common person is witnessing the wonders of space. It's a new era where space tourism is becoming accessible for us. However, every journey forward comes with its challenges. During this time, we are making efforts to control space debris. The debris in our space poses a threat to our future missions. Hence, our scientists and engineers are working to make space travel sustainable and safe. Then comes the exploration of Jupiter's moons. We are observing whether Jupiter's moons are suitable for colonization. One day, we are building colonies there too. It's a dangerous but thrilling adventure for us. During this time, we are also witnessing the use of AI-driven autonomous spacecraft. Our spacecraft can now decide and navigate themselves for long-distance missions. This is another example of our technological advancements that help us move forward in space exploration. From 2070 to 2080, our Martian colonies and sustainable ecosystems are developing further. We are making our colonies more efficient and comfortable. On this new planet, we are working towards making our homes more beautiful and eco-friendly. Along with this, our nations are collaborating to plan large-scale space projects. This collaboration makes us more capable of dealing with new challenges. Nations are jointly planning missions in space. This is a significant step for our unity towards a global perspective. Our telescopes and probes are still exploring new exoplanets. We are observing whether life forms similar to ours are possible elsewhere. It's a fascinating journey towards the exploration of our existence. Advanced technology is taking us even further, beyond our wildest imaginations. Advancements are also happening in medical technology, so we can face the challenges of space. Now, living in space, we have medical facilities that help us deal with the unique challenges of space. This is another step towards turning our dreams into reality. From 2080 to 2090, our lunar and Martian habitats are being further enhanced to provide more comfort and efficiency for residents. We are creating a new level of homes to make lunar nights and Martian days more enjoyable. This marks a new step towards the improvement of our extraterrestrial living conditions. Additionally, we are utilizing asteroid resources for construction and manufacturing in space. Instead of relying on any planet, we are fulfilling our needs using resources from asteroids. This is a sustainable and innovative approach, making our space colonies more self-sufficient. Fusion propulsion is also being discussed. Research is ongoing to make interstellar travel more efficient. This possibility could allow us to reach any galaxy in just a short amount of time. Space-based industries are expanding as well. Satellite servicing and space tourism are advancing, with satellites now self-servicing in space, and people planning regular trips for space tourism. This opens a new chapter in our space-based industries, creating more jobs and opportunities. From 2090 to 2099, artificial intelligence integration is increasing in our space exploration missions. AI is making our missions smarter and more efficient. Our spacecraft can now decide where to go, what to explore, and how to overcome challenges on their own. This is another milestone in our technological evolution. Development of sustainable and closed-loop life support systems is underway, a crucial step for longer stays in space. We are creating closed-loop systems in our colonies, spacecraft, and every corner, minimizing our ecological footprint and efficiently managing resources. Next is the exploration of the asteroid belt. We are expanding there for resource extraction. Miners are now extracting valuable resources from the asteroid belt, marking a new chapter in resource management and another step towards self-sufficiency. Advancements in interplanetary communication include quantum communication, providing faster and secure communication. Now we can transmit data from any Earth location to any other planet in seconds. This revolutionizes our communication systems, bringing us to the edge of space exploration in 2099. With high-speed internet connections in space, we can now enjoy seamless connectivity in space. This means space travelers, inhabitants on different planets, and space probes can communicate at high speeds, facilitating real-time data exchange. A new chapter begins with established cities on the Moon and Mars. A thriving city on the Moon is inspired by Earth's architecture, showcasing a blend of Earth and Moon culture. Similarly, on Mars, we expand our colonies with architectural marvels and sustainable infrastructure in the red landscapes. Active asteroid mining operations are extracting resources from asteroids. Miners are collecting valuable metals and elements, making our colonies and space industries more self-sufficient. International collaboration is advancing in our space systems. Satellites, space stations, and communication systems in Earth and Mars orbits work together. Nations are collaborating to create a global space community. Finally, ongoing preparations for Titan, Jupiter's moon, are in progress. One day we will establish colonies there and make Titan a new home. Have you ever thought about how you would feel if you were in space? Do you want to be a tourist and visit the moon or Mars? Share your space dreams with us.